probability, example 32b. Tim and Tom are twins who are trying out for the position of pitcher on a baseball team. If the team needs 5 pitchers on the roster and there are 9 players trying out for pitcher, what is the probability that the pitching roster includes at least one of the twins? Okay, so we're looking for a probability that at least one twin is chosen. Okay? So in the numerator, we need all of the ways that at least one twin is chosen. And in the denominator, we're going to need all the ways that we had 9 players. We're choosing 5 to be pitchers. So can one person take more than one of those positions? No, you can't duplicate a person, so no repetition. We're not talking about any particular order. We're just talking about a group of people making a team. So that sounds like a combination. So let's look at that denominator. We're looking at all the ways that this can happen. So we're looking for 9 players. We're trying out for the pitcher. So we have 9. And how many do we need? We need 5. So that's the total ways that that can happen. So in the numerator, we were saying at least one twin is chosen. So what is at least one? Well, what's our minimum? So at least one means 1 is the smallest number. And then what's the maximum? Well, there's only 2 twins, so that's going to be our maximum. Okay? So that means that we'll have 1 twin. Okay, let me see how many people are going to make it. 5. So 1 twin and 4 others. That could happen. Or you could have 2 twins and 3 others. Okay. So let's go ahead and write that numerically. For the 1 twin, well, how many twins do we have? We have 2. I need 1. And how many others? Well, let's see. 9 people were trying out for the team. If we have 2 twins, that means we're going to have 7 others. So then I have 7 others. How many do I need? 4. Okay. So 1 plus 4, I've got my 5 pitchers. Very good. Or 2 twins. I have 2, I need 2. And 3 others. I have 7 others, I need 3. Alright, so let's put that in our calculator. In our numerator, we get 105. In our denominator, we get 126. And that will simplify to 5, 6.